Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone charging slow after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's start by checking the basic things. Sometimes iPhone charging slowly after an iOS 17 update may be due to multiple apps running in the background. Using your iPhone while charging or charging it on a computer instead of a power outlet. Step number one is use the official Apple Match chargers. The basic reason why an iPhone won't charge come to a low quality iPhone chargers cable. So make sure you use the USB power adapter and USB cable that comes with it. Then our step number two is force restart your iPhone. A force restart can easily solve iPhone charging problem related to software issue like software crash, software conflict. For force restarting your iPhone, simply you have to tap and release, hold and release your volume up button, then hold and release your volume down button, then simply hold and wait for, then simply hold side button and wait for Apple logo appears. Then our step number three is uninstall battery draining apps. Some apps installed on your iPhone may be battery draining after iOS 17 update and cause iPhone not charging properly. For doing this, simply you have to go to your settings and go to battery. And from here you can see if there is a battery draining app on your iPhone. If there is, just uninstall it. Then our last step is change the charging method. If your iPhone 15, 14, 13 or any from access won't charge wirelessly after iOS update, try to charge it using a wall adapter. If your iPhone won't charge using a wall adapter, then try to plug the cable into the USB port on your computer and see if it will charge. If your iPhone won't charge when plugged in, try to charge it with the wall adapter. In a word, switch between those methods and see if it makes some difference or not. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.